Hi, I'm Nancy Plants. Welcome to another video. This is me kind of wrapping up my garden out back. The cool weather's coming, so I came out here to dig up some of my tender plants that won't handle the frost. I'm checking out, look at that bean plant. I hope it doesn't get killed. And I picked some stuff from my garden, some ground cherries, tomatoes, stevia, stuff like that.
Look what I found. Look what I found.
Oh no, sweetie.
Sorry.
So, one thing that happened over the summer is, oh, there's a green tomato, is my squash plants all got completely eradicated by squash bugs. So I planted some beans. Hopefully they'll make it before it gets too cold. My tomatoes are kind of getting a little droopy. I picked most of the green tomatoes off of them. And, yeah, you know, some of my little spaces are bare. I'm just scoping it out and seeing what it is I'm going to be digging up and bringing in. I got these like blackberry bushes I keep hacking back. This is a longevity spinach that has been in my garden. It didn't grow that much this year, and there's a little purple basil. I'm going to dig those guys up, and then over here kind of scoping out.
What plant should I put in this pot?
I don't know.
This is like that plant.
Oh, we should get the other longevity spinach, and we also need to get that basil.
I don't want that.
Okay.
I also have these figs out here on my porch. Those guys are going to come in. This one has a little bit of that purple basil growing in it too. And I potted up a bunch of the plants. So I got my little pineapple that I planted out in my garden.
Kitty, get back in the house. Get back in the house, Kitty!
Yeah, Kitty. She keeps coming outside. I know some people might say, oh, why don't you let your cat out? Listen, I've had cats get eaten by stuff and hit by cars through my childhood, and no.
Back in the house.
So now I'm just spraying everything with neem oil before I bring it in the house, so hopefully it doesn't bring any kind of bad insects into my house. And because I do have a lot of houseplants already in my house. And I don't know how much of this stuff is going to make it through the winter. I have very limited southern exposure windows where I live, but this is my other pineapple. It got hit really bad with bugs.
Hey, cat. You should go back in the house. What you doing?
So, here I'm just trying to like stage my potted plants now. So I got this like black garbage can. I want to put this pineapple in so it can be like a floor plant. Just figuring it out. And Kitty's gonna check it out. Does Kitty approve? I think Kitty approves. So I was thinking I was gonna put it right here. It's a little close to my stove, but like I said, I have limited southern exposure. Oh, it fits. Cool. And then my longevity spinaches are gonna go right on this windowsill. Hopefully they'll do all right over the winter. And this is an avocado plant that I had pulled out of my garden a little while ago. And I got a pepper plant. These are like little teeny tiny peppers that are so super hot. And there's a little basil planted in there too. And what else? Oh, this is kind of like the setup. So, I got a couple geraniums and stuff too. And my figs are going over by this north facing window, which is right next to a heater, but they're going to move sooner or later because they're going to go dormant. And then I have a few more things over here. That poinsettia, I don't think I showed it, but I brought that poinsettia in. So thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate all of the likes and comments and all of that. If you have not subscribed, you should subscribe. That'd be really cool. And you could share this or whatever. And thanks for watching. Bye.
What are you doing in there?
Take a picture. Take a picture of me.
I'm taking a picture.